This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Hindu.
EVM troubles and poll boycotts trigger repolling. 8 booths in 5 constituencies will see voting tomorrow. Left joins Amma's chorus, demand a security blanket on counting centres. Chief Electoral Officer assures of full security. It's official now, 78.12% of the electorate came out to vote in Tamil Nadu. Chennai's voter turnout jumps by 10%.
There has been a big awareness campaign about the importance of voting and voting with conscience.
Women make their presence felt in the polls, come out in large numbers. Males trail behind the fairer sex. Chidambaram Jr. is upset with Chief Thangabalu's firing act, says it is not with the party's rules and regulations.
I believe the statement issued on behalf of the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee did not follow the correct procedure.
Supreme Court dispatches notice to the DMK minister, questions why the disproportionate assets case should not be reopened. 15-year-old girl allegedly molested by a CRPF constable on polling day in Kanchipuram. He's moved back to his original posting. And ahead of Saturday's big clash, Chennai Super Kings fans come out with a super cheer for Dhoni and his boys.
Chennai Super Kings ke periya whistle aadinga. Enga ooru Chennai ke periya whistle aadinga.
A very good evening and welcome to News Tonight with me, Ashmit Kumar. Let's take a quick look at stories coming in from across the nation. At long last, bail for Binayak Sen, the Supreme Court says he's only a Maoist sympathizer. No case of sedition can be made out. Pranab Mukherjee tells NDTV Congress alone cannot dislodge the left in Bengal, have to accept ground realities. Mohan Das Pai shocks the financial world as he quits the board of Infosys, says it's time for younger people to take charge. Gautam Gambhir's Knights embarrassed Shane Warne's boys in Jaipur. KKR romps home to a comfortable victory. First up, the Election Commission has ordered repolling at one more booth in Sankaran Kovil Assembly constituency in Tirunelveli district. Now with this, the number of booths that go to repolling on Saturday, that's tomorrow, has become 8. Now earlier, the Election Commission had ordered repolling in 7 booths in 5 constituencies across Tamil Nadu. The repolling will take place tomorrow at a booth in Neyveli constituency, 1 in Kiliyur constituency, 2 booths in Tiruvida Marudur constituency, the Arani booth, and 1 in Bodhi Nayakanur constituency. Now, election boycott and polling day and malfunctioning EVMs, in fact, were cited as the reasons behind repolling. Now, after Amma's position regarding the security counting centres, the left parties in the state have also joined in the chorus. CPM State Secretary G. Ramakrishna and CPI State Secretary D. Pandya have urged the Election Commission to provide CRPF protection to all the counting centres across Tamil Nadu. Now, following in the footsteps of Jayalalitha, the leader of the AIADMK-led alliance, the leaders of both the left parties have expressed concern about leaving the counting centres to be manned by the state police alone. Now, these elections have been historic for many a reason. And here's another one. According to the official numbers, this edition of the assembly polls saw the highest voter turnout, beating the previous record. Now, the official numbers for voter turnout stands at 78.12%. Looking healthy, it has overtaken the earlier record of 75.57% in the previous 1967 elections, when the DMK overthrew the Congress with an absolute majority. Now, while Karur district polled the highest with around 86.06%, Chennai city just polled 68.02%, which is in fact the lowest in the state. However, the polling percentage in the city went up by 10% compared to the 2006 assembly elections.
So I'll say there are multi-pronged reasons. One is that there has been a big awareness campaign about the importance of voting and voting with conscience, that has made. Then also I think that lot of these activities of catching money and all that has created tremendous awareness and a responsibility among people that we should vote. Thirdly, I think the message has gone among people that it will be a secure, they need not fear law and order problems, other things. So they felt that it will be safe to come and vote. Fourthly, the political party will have to be given the credit. Finally, people come to vote for them, so they have mobilized their support quite well. I think these are the various reasons. And finally, the people themselves, they felt that this is our duty, a right, and our future is determined. So they have realized that thing and have come to vote. And in spite of a lot of inconvenience like long lines, queues, etc. in the morning, they have voted, which has led to a high percentage.
But not all who came out to vote were looking to back a certain party. With increasing awareness, here's another trend that is catching up with the educated voter in Chennai. The city recorded the highest number of voters who chose to go with the 49-0 way by deciding to not vote for any of the political parties. The total number of such voters who chose to vote under Section 49-0 stood at nearly 25,000 in Chennai alone. Now, staying with the elections, the women of Tamil Nadu have shown that they do take the polling exercise very seriously. Now, women voters overtaking men has emerged as a new trend that has set tongues wagging about what women power will mean in the poll outcome. Our senior correspondent Peer Mohammed reports. Women outperformed men on April 13th when Tamil Nadu went to the polls. 78.54% of the women voted, while only 77.71% of the men turned up to get inked. In the 2006 assembly polls, only 68.75% of the women voted, but 72.41% of the men cast their votes. In 2001 assembly elections as well, women's polling percentage was lesser, 56.83% women cast their votes, the male percentage 61.30%. This year's women power may have a bearing on the May 13th results.
திருமண உதவித்தொகை திட்டம் அது மட்டுமல்லாமல் கர்ப்ப காலத்தில் பெண்களுக்கு உதவித்தொகை கிடைக்கிறது, சுய உதவி குழுக்கள் அவங்களுடைய நலனை பாதுகாக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு அரசாங்கம், அந்த திட்டங்கள் இன்னும் கூட பெண்களுக்கான பல விஷயங்கள் இன்றைக்கு திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகத்தினுடைய ஆட்சியில் பெண்களுக்காக அந்த 5 வருஷத்தில் அமல்படுத்தப்பட்டுச்சு. அப்போ அதன் மூலமாக பலனடைந்த பெண்கள் தொடர்ந்து இந்த பலன்களை அடையணும் அப்படிங்கிறத விருப்பமாக கொண்டு கூட இந்த தேர்தலில் வாக்களிக்கணும், இன்னும் கூட இந்த திட்டங்கள் தொடரணும், இன்னும் கூட பெண்கள் எம்பவர் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னு யோசிச்சிருக்கலாம்.
While the ruling DMK party may attribute the huge female presence to its nurturing of women self-help groups who nurtured 73 lakhs across Tamil Nadu, some analysts have a different reading of the scenario.
One thing, the electoral rolls are more perfect. Earlier, even dead persons found their names. If they had, their ghosts at least would have found their names in the electoral roll. Now the rolls are near perfect, and so that is one reason. Two, people are in a mood to demand change of government. So they are anxious to register their vote against the government. That is another reason.
The electorate and the experts have to wait until May 13th to know which argument is correct.
The unprecedented turnout of women voters in these elections may have several reasons. Some call it the mixer-grinder effect. Some attribute it to the anti-incumbency factor. Whatever may be the reason, it is seen as a healthy trend in democracy. In Chennai, Peer Mohammed, NDTV Hindu.
Now, not only women, with such large chunks of the population coming out to vote, the Chief Electoral Officer had only words of praises about the involvement of the public in this democratic exercise. In fact, the Chief Electoral Officer said that this was a victory of Tamil Nadu's common man.
Who is the hero of the election is the Tamil Nadu Makkal. Finally, the people who came out in large numbers to vote without fear. Among the main, if you want to say any, who is the hero of the election is the Tamil Nadu Makkal. Among the hero. They came and voted.
Well, moving ahead, there is an outpouring of support for Binayak Sen, and Chennai too chips in while backing Dr. Sen. We get you some reactions on the other side.